There's a man looking in the undergrad!
What?
It's hard to adjust to retirement!
Hard to what? Hard to assess a requirement level. What?
Who are you?
Oh no! It's his wife! Independence!
Excuse me, I think you've dropped your dress. Where have you been? I've been going mad. Look at the state I'm in. No. No. Darling, honestly, she just burst into the room and the dress fell off.
Someone locked the door! I don't understand why the Sheik looks like Philip.
Poppy! Bring the book!
You put me in here in the dark with all black sheets and things!
My darling, why did you lock the door?
Why did I lock the door? Why did you lock the door?
I didn't lock the door. Come here.
Someone locked the door!
My little girl!
Dad!
Oh my